welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Rpgshow hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the hair unboxing. You guys, I haven't reviewed for Rpgshow. Out of all the hair reviews, I've never worked with this hair company before, you guys. So I know things can get like super redundant. And I was just searching for like different variety of wigs, customizable wigs, colored wigs, and things of that such. So we have Rpgshow today. They have very nice packaging, you guys. I haven't seen this little travel kit package thingy, whatever you want to call it, in a very long time. I know it was like a hit back in the day, but they also sent over some samples of like shampoo and conditioner along with that tamer. And I thought it was actually a very nice touch along with that magazine. So let's go ahead and get into the inside of the wig cap construction. You guys know I always show this. I think it's just really important when it comes to hair reviews. But just to let you guys know, this wig had the perfect fit. I didn't feel like I was tugging on my wig at all to make it fit, and I love that. Now for the specs, this is a Dominique wig in 20 inches. She's also a 200% density, and this is a 13x6 lace frontal. So if you guys were also wondering of the texture, it is a curly texture. Now let's get into like the actual wig, you guys. So it has the brown roots, and then it goes into this very nice professional blend of ash blonde. You guys know ash blonde is like a hit on my YouTube channel. I think that looks just a really nice color for deeper skin tones. So if you guys are looking for like a blonde to work with, you guys should definitely try out a ash blonde because it looks really, really nice on our skin tones. So yeah, now as for the texture, again, this is a curly texture, you guys. In my opinion, this wig unit looks just like Beyonce's natural hair, down to the texture of the curls and also just like the poofiness of the hair as well. It just looks really, really natural. It looks like somebody who has maybe did a color job on their natural hair, such as Beyonce. So I just think that it just looks super natural. Now I do want to let you guys know that this wig unit is processed, meaning that they had to bleach this hair and lift it probably maybe 3 times to get this color. So they had to lift the hair for the brown roots, and then they probably have to lift it again for the blonde, and then they have to put a ash blonde on top of it. So that's probably about 3 processes, you guys. So I just want to let you guys know that when I did go in to like curl define this hair, it does have that process feel to it. However, I just used some conditioner and it gave it really good slip, and that was it. So once you guys go to like air dry the wig unit, it does have its softness. It does not feel like that after it air dries. So just make sure that you guys are using color treated products on this type of wig because again, it is processed. But anyways, I just love how natural it is, and I think that Beyonce's hair is just what inspired me to like do the half up half down with this look. So that's what I ended up doing, but I also showed it in a flip over and also a middle part and also like a headband as well. So you guys will see all of that in this hair video. I would love to actually try out other wigs from Rpgshow, you guys, because I just love how they have like customizable wigs, and I just love the nice blend on their bleaching job. It's just super professional, and I love that. So hopefully I can get my hands on another Rpgshow wig, but yeah, that's it. That's all. And also, if you guys want to know the processing time, it did take me a few weeks to get this wig unit. This was a brand new wig unit, you guys. So it also has to be customized as well. So just keep all of that in mind when it comes to this hair company. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and let this hair video play out. And let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle, the hair color. Is blonde something that you guys will try? And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Time to heat up, baby, see her when she walking through the door. He ain't that she could have him, man, that nigga gotta go. They got his up, but they still counting all this money on the floor. We been balling off the course, we be really making plays. She don't really want no beef, and she can't say it to my face. Girl, that man was never mine, I just was going through through her face. So please control your hoe before I put it in her place. Who you think you is, babe? I'm who they wanna be. Got that apple bottom falling out my jeans like it's a trick. Diamonds yellow, bitches think they sippin' tea, but girl, it's pee. Got the game on lock, so who you know could really fuck with me? Spanish poppy, when we talking, I'm bilingual. Don't worry about them other niggas, babe, I'm single. All these bitches wanna copy me like Kinkos. Bad bitch posted with me, who is that? That's my amigo. Beat up, got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Time to heat up, baby, see her when she walking through the door. She ain't spend it, she could have him, man, that nigga gotta go. He got his up, but they still counting all this money on the floor. We been balling off the course, we be really making plays. She don't really want no beef if she can't say it to my face. Girl, that man was never mine, I just was going through her face. So please control your hoe before I put it in her place. Before I put it in her place. Who you think you is, babe? I'm who they wanna be. Got that apple bottom falling out my jeans like it's a trick. Diamonds yellow, bitches think they sippin' tea, but girl, it's pee. Got the game on lock, so who you know could really fuck with me? Spanish poppy, when we talking, I'm bilingual. Don't worry about them other niggas, babe, I'm single. All these bitches wanna copy me like Kinkos. Bad bitch posted with me, who is that? That's my amigo. Beat up, got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Time to heat up, baby, see her when she walking through the door. She ain't spend it, she could have him, man, that nigga gotta go. He got his up, but they still counting all this money on the floor. We been balling off the course, we be